Hi guys, Rich Roderick here, and in this video we are going to talk about the Clickbank. If you didn't know about this site, no worries. In this video, I will explain you everything for beginners. So I think with Clickbank it will help you to earn more in cash. Okay, you will know everything. So without further words, let's jump into it. So guys, here how the Clickbanks look like. You can go to the Google and search it. Okay, for beginners, what Clickbanks means? Clickbanks is the biggest platform affiliate program who promote your products like fitness or some courses or some proteins and other stuff. So what the main thing about Clickbank is? Clickbank will someone creates some courses or create some products, and they go to the Clickbank. They say like Clickbank, hey, can you promote my products? Clickbank says, okay, sure, no problem. And Clickbank create a affiliate program, their affiliate program, and they say like, hey people, you need to promote these products and you will get a commission. So here where you comes, you just take some products what you like or prefer, and you need to promote them so that other people buy that products via your link, and you will get a commissions. For example, if somebody sells products for $100, I think it could be some courses or something like that. If one people buy that course for $100, so you get up to 40% of the commissions. So if somebody buys that products from your link, you will get $40, and I think it's pretty awesome for the affiliate. As it said before, Clickbank is the best affiliate program on the internet. So let's check out what we have here. Okay, we can here the feature products. As you can see how products work here, categories like arts, computers, internet, as you can see friction, games, homes, languages, mobile. As you can see, many different type of the categories what you can sell. Self-help, and let's computer and the internet. Let's check out what they look like. And of course, but I think the best what you can sell is again sports and fitness. Okay, so sort by latest, sort by popularity. Let's sort by popularity and see what is the most popular. Okay, as you can see, this is how to protect yourself in the internet, a PHP. This it's like course in teaching the coding stuff or something like that. And for some people, it could be useful. So your goal is to make people buy these products. And let's check how much this costs. Okay, this costs $7.95. Okay, it's pretty small amount of the money, but still, if you get like 400 on a half of from this amount, it's like $4 every single purchase if somebody buys this course. Okay, let's go to the front side and click the affiliate marketplace and check that out. Maybe some other type of the offers Clickbank can offer you or something like that. Yeah. How find the products to promote is your little instructions. These the categories, as I said, and if we click here the computers and the internets, and let's find, as you can see, okay, average sale $37. How much the commissions? Average sale 61% of the commission. So if we calculate this, so you will earn about to $20 from that sale, and I think it's pretty awesome. So hope that guys, some of you will go ahead with this and create the full-time passive income in with Clickbank, because Clickbank is really popular. um, and hope that some of you will find this video useful. So guys, hope that you like this video. Please write me in a comment what you want me to talk with you in the next videos, and as always, earn and spend money online.